Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. I am feeling so much better this week. Oh my gosh. So yeah, happy to be back, guys. Hopefully, you had a great weekend. You enjoyed it, and now are ready to hit this week. So welcome to the new followers. Welcome back to existing followers. If it's your first time here, simply just for don't forget to activate notification and subscribe to the channel because I rarely go on at the exact same time, and you definitely don't want to miss it. Okay. Also other updates. Yeah, bootcamp, we're gonna get started on July 22nd. And it's gonna be 5 session, and we got a couple cancellation to people last minute, so we got 4 spots left. So hit me up in my DM if you are interested. Okay, so now let's move on. um Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. We got Bilal. Good morning, Bilal. Hope you're doing great. Bilal actually paid for the boot camp with the dogtail setup last week, so good job. That's amazing. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. If anyone can post in the Discord that we are going live, that'll be very appreciated. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, just want to make sure I didn't forget anything. Okay, we're good. All right, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get started. Boom, 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 boom. Thank you, Bilal. Thank you, very appreciate that. Okay, so let's start with GJ, guys. Let's start with GJ. Oh man, I feel so much better. All right, so weekly. By the way, I'm starting like, man. Let's just change this. I hate those fucking gaps. I don't know what's going on here. But let's do GPY. Let's try this guy here. Let's try this guy and see if we have gaps on this one. So this one doesn't have gaps, right? Yeah. Fuck, man, I don't know what's going on with Wanda. Never had that problem before. So, okay. So let's do it. Let's do it. Let's start from scratch here. We're gonna do our weekly higher high, and we're gonna do our weekly higher low. There we go. Perfect. Excelente. All right, so that's a base. Let's go to the daily. Daily, we're gonna establish the same thing. So daily higher high, and daily higher low. Perfect. Excellent. So now we can actually, we're gonna delete that one. We'll keep that green. What about the 4 hour? Oh shit, did I just delete the wrong one? Oh no, okay. I think I just deleted the wrong one. What did I just delete? Can I do Control Z? Did I delete something, guys? Doesn't look like it. Okay. I really thought I deleted the wrong one. Okay, so this is the good one, right? FXCM. Oh, maybe FXCM doesn't have any gaps. FXCM is Forex.com. Okay. Forex.com. Trying to see what the fuck? Like, this is not even the same. Look at this. Like, we're looking at the daily chart here, FXCM, and look at this one. The fuck? Okay, sorry. Okay, anyways, let's focus here. For our time frame, we're gonna do the same thing. Boom. Sorry guys, the reason why I'm doing this is because Wanda lately has like tons of gaps and just like so confusing. Perfect. So we can do. Doesn't look like we have any pullback here on the daily so far, but that would be the daily golden zone where we expect price to pull back. Okay. Oh, let me go check the chat, guys. Sorry, man. Thank you, Bilal. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Dylan. Hope you're doing good. Hi, Sasha. I must leave early, but glad to be here. Hey, with her. Can't wait to start the bootcamp with you. Bilal, Alex said he's switching to the charts on Forex.com instead of a window. He still has some small gaps, but not. Oh, okay. I see. I see. I see. Okay, so I'm not crazy. Okay. I thought I was crazy for a while. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. Weekly here already updated some of those charts. If you see Forex.com, so I did that yesterday. So I was just trying to look the one that was the cleanest and just ending up being Forex.com. Okay, so let's take a look at Euro and ZD. We are this pair have been looking. We've been looking for this pair for what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So we're finally getting this pullback now at this weekly area of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone, which is also the major QP 78,000. So now let's go down to the daily. The daily is still bearish at the moment, um, but very close to flip bullish. So we'll see. The 4 hour is bullish. We need the 4 hour to go bearish now. Okay, we need the 4 hour to go bearish to be able to take this trade. So basically, I need price either to do what it does right now. It's either going like, I don't know, something like this, break under retest to continue to the downside, or we're gonna need price to come under here, retest to continue to the downside. But we need 4 hour to go bearish. Right now, 4 hour is bullish. Not willing to go against that. Euro GBP, let's take a look. Weekly is bearish. We got the pullback at the first weekly area of interest, which is also the major QP. Let's take a look. The daily was bearish. I guess after this Tuesday last week, I guess. Here was nice, but the 4 hour, the problem was the 4 hour thing. Or did I miss that trade? I think we broke it down on Forex Stock over beer, if I'm not wrong. We went like this. No, exactly. Okay, so we didn't flip bearish. So now we're bearish. Okay, so now we need to pull back. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. Need the pullback. Here we don't have any elbow. Here we don't have any elbow. I mean, this is just like flap, like it's a 90 degrees. Like here, same thing. So just waiting for the pullback here. Okay, so I think that's fair. Oh, I swear this chair, man. Man, I need to take time to go shopping for chair. Um, yeah, okay. So I think Euro GPP looks nice, but not ready yet. Look at all those wicks though to the downside. Ooh, we are rejecting this area hard. All right, so let's take a look at GBP any suggestion, guys, or question, let me know. For pairs right now, GBP we are in that weekly golden zone. We are bearish on the weekly. The daily is bullish, so definitely need the what's going on here. Oh, yeah, definitely need this time frame to go back bearish. Uh, Good morning, Krish. Good morning, Sensei. Hope you're doing great. Yeah, doing great, man. Can't wait to start the boot camp with you too. Um, okay. 4 hour. 4 hours now bullish here. Do 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 do. Looks like we got the double top here, and we create a new high here. Okay. So far we're still bullish, but it's about to go down bearish. Okay, so now let's recap this. So the weekly is bearish, the daily is bullish. So yeah, we're gonna need the daily to go back bearish now. Fuck. Yeah, man, nothing seems to be looking super nice this week again. Let's take a look at GCAD. GCAD, we are bullish. Man, I was waiting for this pullback, and look at this bullshit. Man, after this doji, bam, engulfing daily. Fuck. Oh, look at this gap. Oh, that's a one though still. Okay. Um. So, yep, yep. Yeah, look like I missed that trade, but I was expecting a deeper pullback and it didn't go. So it is what it is. Let me just check though. I'm pretty sure we rejected 382 here in the fib. Did we? If it's the case, fuck, right on the dot. God damn. Yeah, I should have placed an alert there too. My bad. Okay, so now just for learning purposes here, um, let's try to find out. Where's there an entry possible? Let's go. On the daily, we went bullish, bearish. Yeah, no, that's the thing. The daily is still bearish. Cannot take it. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't miss that trade. The day is bearish. Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, so let's update that chart on Forex.com also. Since we got this one on the watch list. Oh, what am I doing? GPP, CAD, Forex.com. Boom. Where is it? Where is... Like has had too many pairs up there. GPP. CAD. Oh, it worked. There we go. So let's do this. Doom, boom. Yeah, okay. So let's do this. Boom. So 4 hour. Sorry, guys. Gotta do this because one that's kind of fucked up right now. Daily. Daily is bearish still. Hey, any question or pair suggestion, guys? You let me know. Oops. For people asking about the bootcamp will be starting on the 22nd, and we still have we still have 4 spots available. We had some cancellation last minute. Um, and this is a private group of 12 people. So you're gonna have access to the existing course, You're also gonna have access, of course, of the 5 session of the bootcamp, the recordings, 3 months mentorship following the bootcamp. So should be a blast. Should be a blast. Oh, look, there's still small gaps here. Um, weekly. Hello. And weekly. All right. Okay, so should be good. And we got the boom. Actually, oh, I thought I was right on it, but no, I'm not. Right here, perfect. And now the only thing we're missing, the major QP at 72. Was it 72 exactly? Um, there we go. And we are updated, ladies and gentlemen. Let's delete this one. Perfect. Okay, let me go see the chart. Not the chart, but the chat. Sorry, guys. Guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you're coming in. Let's see here. Yeah, man, really excited for the boot camp. Not gonna lie. Man, I really hate that bloody gaps on. Yeah, I know it's horrible. Um, Endigad could be setting up this morning, at least for a day trade. Okay, we'll go check it out. And we got EC. Okay, so we'll go check those out. Let me just double check here. AUDCHF. Um, look like waiting for daily pullback. Yeah, there we go. So still waiting, as you can see. Still waiting. USDCHF. Weekly is bearish. Daily is bullish. So yeah, not really. Actually, let me remove that. It's very far to be ready. Entity CAD, he said. Okay, let's go check. Entity CAD, Entity CAD. Entity CAD. So let's take a look. Entity CAD is bullish since so long ago. Since October 2022, we are bullish, and since then, we're just playing around. But we finally create a new high. But it's not a new high here, but new structure inside the structure if you want. But let's take a look on the daily. The daily is now bearish. Daily is bearish. Daily. I don't know. What the Sasha? Daily lower high. Here we go. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. We broke that. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we're daily in the bearish. We're daily in the bearish. We are bearish. Sorry, guys. On the daily, um, let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is okay. Let me remove this chart also. Fuck those gaps. Entity CAD. Oh, what did I do? That's not what I want to do. And ZD There we go. Okay, so let's do this. So the weekly is bullish. There we go. Sorry guys, we need to update those chart. All right, so weekly's been bullish for a long time, and now we got the daily. Daily is bearish. Here we got the daily lower low. Perfect. And a 4 hour. 4 hours bearish, bullish. So yeah, no, I don't think so, man. So we got no time frame in sync right now. Here we go. And we got a 4 hour high. So this one, I'm gonna delete it. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so it's a no-go for me for entity CAD. Let's take a look. What else? Morning, everyone. Morning, Ref. EC. Let's go. EC. EuroCAD. EuroCAD. Let's go take a look. And we got Chris chart. So let's do this. Oops. Copy link. And let's go take a look at Chris chart. Oh, god damn. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Perfect. So here, this is Chris chart. We are looking at EuroCAD, and we are looking at the daily time frame. Confluence to go long, 30% weekly bullish, daily bullish for our bullish. Okay. 10% weekly at area of interest, weekly previous structure, daily area of interest, daily previous structure, daily head and shoulder neckline, daily EMA, waiting for the retest rejection call. Okay. Looks clean, looks clean. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. EuroCAD. All right, so actually let's do it with a new chart. Let's do it with the new chart. Look at those gaps. So stupid. Crazy. Crazy. Okay, so we are bullish. So that's a weekly high low. Weekly high. Perfect. We got the weekly golden zone that now we don't need anymore because we went down here and pushed back up, so that's exactly what it was expected. Okay. So now let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, it was looking for a day trade on that one, if I remember correctly. Yeah, daily area of interest right there. Okay. Daily area of interest. And yeah, that makes sense. We are bearish here. Bam. Okay. And what about the 4? 4 hour. 4 hour is bullish. Okay, so now what you had here? Oh, you want to go long? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, the thing is, uh, I just I just don't like this elbow here. I really don't like it. Plus, we are under this area of interest. So, for me to go long, I will wait for to be above that major QP, which is the 48,000. Um, major QP. Yeah, for me to go long, I would wait to be above there. Yeah, I don't like this area here. Really don't. Especially that now we just form resistance. Yeah, yeah, just for me, it's a no go. Um, yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Isn't daily bullish on EC Sensei? Yeah, that's the thing. It's just for me, it's not super clean with that FE elbow, so I just don't really like it. This it can be considered as an elbow. So, but even if daily is bullish, though, even let's say daily is bullish. Okay, so let's say that daily is bullish. We got the weekly bullish and the daily bullish. The 4 hours bullish, but my problem is we are under this area of interest. So even if everything was in sync, I'd be like, nah, I just don't like this. So that's my problem. Um, Mikhail, is the class going to be live and what days and time? Trying to see if it works for my schedule. So what we'll do, Mikhail will try to adapt the most time zone as possible. It's gonna be we're gonna flip it. We're gonna do some in the morning, some at nights to be able to accommodate everyone. And you're always gonna receive the recording right after. Plus, yes, it's gonna be live. Plus, you're also gonna have access to the existing recorded course. Plus, this is going to be also attached with a private group with the only 12 of us for a mentorship of 12 months, 12 months, 12 people for 3 months. So there's not going to be any bullshit or um, side story in that Discord is going to be strictly what we do. The rest is going to be prohibited because we need to focus and make sure we follow the plan. Okay, so yes, so technically it should work with your schedule because when you try to alternate to make everything fits for everyone, so it should be fine. And we're gonna be started on July 22nd. And yeah, we're gonna do 5 sessions, and if we need to do like an extra or two, I don't mind, So we'll see. I'm pretty loose there. Like I'm doing this for you guys. Like I said, I don't do this for the money. I don't give a shit. This is really to help you guys. Isn't daily bullish on me? Oh yeah, I said that. Here's another chart. Can you look at USD GPY? Yeah, sure, man. Chris, we got another chart incoming. Let's see. So GD 6 L Q D and W. Ooh, that one doesn't work. Let me see that again. GD 6L Q D and yeah, no, that one's not working, Krish. I don't know. USD GPY. Let's go. USD GPY. I used to trade USD GPY when I got started like a couple of years ago. Oh, give me one second, guys. Uh, okay. No, let's go. Bye. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Um, okay. So let's focus here. Well, USD So let's do this here. I don't like this elbow either. Okay. Okay. 4 hour. You know what? Let's do it right away on Forex.com. Oh fuck. USD So let's leave this one. And we start from scratch. Okay, so let's start from scratch. So let's start with the weekly. All right, so the weekly is bullish. Perfect. Okay. So let's do this. So this is our higher high on the weekly. I'm gonna do this pretty quick, guys. I really don't like this elbow. This is not an elbow. This is clearly not an elbow now. There we go. What about the daily? I hate those ones. So this is the high. Even this one. Daily. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now let's go look at the 4 hour. 4 hour went from there to there. We're bullish. Now we're bearish. From there to there, we are bearish. We create a lower low. Now we're bullish. Okay. So here. Okay, so now let's recap. Okay, so we got the weekly bullish. Because this one's not closed yet. So we are at high now on the weekly. We are almost at a high on a daily. And we are at a high on the 4 hour. So are we going to want to be involved now? The answer is no. Okay. So you want to wait for the pullback to get in that trade because right now you're at the high on the 3 time frame that are in sync. So yeah, that's great. We got 3 time frames in sync. But now we gotta wait. We gotta wait for the pullback. We gotta wait for the pullback to either retest this previous structure, or do we have anything else on the left? We got nothing here on the left. So we are the highest points since so long. So we gotta wait for at least a pullback to retest previous structure. Same thing on the daily. Let me check on the weekly here. I mean, we cannot even use our fib yet because we don't have like a resistance yet. So, but let's take a look on the daily just for fun on the daily. Sorry, guys. I still have a little bit left of that craziness I got on the cruise. So we can expect like a pullback around this area. Here we got the major QP 160. So definitely we gotta wait for that pullback, like minimum. That's super minimum. But if you look here on the weekly, technically, you want to see a pullback. Like let's say we have a resistance here. Let's say that this doji is bearish. We can use our fib, and now we can expect a pullback around this area. You know, so USDGPY not close to be ready because we're at a high everywhere. So you definitely don't want to be involved there. You want to be involved once you have your pullback. It's like anything in life. Like if you want to go buy a house tomorrow, do you want to go buy a house when the price at the highest or when there's a little crash in the economy and the price comes down? You know, it's the same shit. Trading is the same. You want to buy low and you want to sell high. You know, it's simple as that. You know. Let's see. Or try this. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's try this new chart from Krish. Oh, that one's working. There we go. All right, so we got NZD USD. Waiting for H4 to go bullish. Right now we're looking at the daily time frame. You're waiting for the pullback inside the daily golden zone. Okay. NZD USD. Let's go take a look. Let's go take a look. NZD USD. Boom. Let's do the updated chart. What am I doing? NZD USD. Where is it? Here. Perfect. So, let's start on the weekly. Boom, 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 boom. I want you. Sometime, dude. Okay, here we go. After that, we add. Oh, this is old. We don't need that anymore. Well, actually, it actually held, so actually it still makes sense. Just faster to copy paste. Boom, boom. Perfect. Perfect, my friend. Perfect. Perfect. We still have small gaps here, but not so bad. Not so bad. Let me delete this and let's start from scratch here. Daily. So now the daily is bearish. Actually, here we have. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, okay. This one is legit. The fuck, man. Those gaps fucks everything down. So technically, yeah, we should be bullish now. Okay. And 4 hour. La 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 la. All right. So what you had here? Yeah, right now, yeah, you got this. You got this elbow there. Elbow here. But there's no elbow here, so technically we're bullish. We are already bullish here on the 4 hour. Oh, actually, no. Now it closed under here. What time is it? Oh, for 1 second, I thought it was 9. I was like, fuck. Okay, so now we are bearish. Yeah, so this not gonna happen right now. Because now you need the 4 hour to do something like this, flip back above, retest to go up. So, okay, man, we don't have a lot ready. What's going on? Let's go back to Euro NZD for 1 sec here. Okay, so here, which is probably the closest thing to be ready, and it's not ready, but like so far, we don't have a lot this week. Like it's been a couple weeks that's been super quiet. But let's see. Weekly bearish, daily bearish, and 4 hour. Yeah, we're just waiting on 4 hour to go bearish now. So that's the closest thing. Maybe Euro GPP is a little closer. We got the weekly bearish. We had the pullback at the weekly area of interest, which is also the major QP. The daily is bearish, and now the 4 hour is bearish. Now we're waiting for the pullback. Wait, oops. Waiting for H4 pullback. And look like it's not gonna happen. Oh well. GBPCHF, we are inside that weekly golden zone. So now we're gonna need the daily to go back bearish, basically. Like sometimes when I see my data in my 4 hour bullish, I might be able to take a day trade. But right now, I'm not willing to take a day trade since I'm exactly at the area where I expect price to flip. So that's a big no-no. GCAD, we're missing the daily to go bullish. ADCHF waiting for the daily pullback. And GJ what a high, so we're waiting the pullback on the daily. Or if 4 hour, oh, ugh, that's ugly. That's ugly. Ugly, 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 ugly. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be involved with that dogtail setup though. I mean, let's say this close like this. Let's say you wait for the wick down and break the high. The problem is you're right there at this resistance, so I'm not interested. And to the opposite side, let's say we wait for the wick up, break the low. My problem is look at this rejection here, and look here, look left. The problem here. Plus, this is a major QP right here. So not really interested in getting involved in this dogtail setup today. All right. I think that's about it. You guys have any other pair you want to look at? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. How's Solana doing? We're back to 142. Okay. Okay, so guys, like I said, there's 4 spots left for the boot camp. We're gonna get started on the July 22nd. So make sure to DM me if you have any question about that or you want to get your spot reserved. And what I was about to say, can't remember. Whatever. We're gonna be live once again on Thursday night for Forex Talk over beer. I can't wait. It's gonna be fun. It's always fun. Hopefully, we can have a trade to break down by then. If not, we can have some trade ideas to give you and answer all questions. By the way, guys, I'm starting a new challenge. I did my challenge 30 days and I lost over 21 pounds. Now I'm starting an 11-day challenge, which is a little different, very more intense, and we'll see where we can get it down. Also, with that challenge, it's cool because there's also a business opportunity through that, which generated like in 4 weeks we did like a little bit more than $6,000 just by spreading the word about the challenge. So if any one of you wants to fund their account and have some extra money, hit me up. I'll show you how. All right. So thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I see you on Thursday night. Take care. Ciao. Ciao part 2. Peace out.